How to remove third-party app access from Google. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove the access of third-party apps from Google. If you have ever installed app and connected with your Google and want to disconnect it from your Google account now, I'll show you exactly how you can disconnect it. So to do that, simply open the settings, and once you have opened the settings, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled Google. And once you are inside the Google service, simply tap on All Services tab. And here you can see the option labeled Connected Apps. Tap on that. And here you will see a list of all third-party apps that have access to your Google account. Now tap on the specific app you want to remove the access from Google. And once you have selected the app, simply scroll down and tap on Delete Your Connection option and tap on Confirm. And after doing that, the app will no longer have access to your account or data. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.